what we have here is the TOJIRO 813. This is a 6.5-inch Deba. You can see the thickness that it has there on the spine in their DP series. So this is the VG10 Clad core with the 13 chromium stainless steel cladding. Nice and hefty. So this is a very similar shape to their Giotto, but this is really made much more for more heavy duty chopping. Hence they put the weight in it for the spine, and it'll really come down on some things. This edge is still super acute. It's not nearly as acute as their regular edges, but it will still definitely slice through some food, veg, and or meat and bones if that's what you're going for. Alrighty, all the other specs will be on the website.